Hi guys, good day to all of you, and for today's video we will talk about the three sets of safety driving. The first set of safety driving as a driver. Number 1, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2, I will not pass without care on curbs nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Number 3, I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. Number 4, I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Number 5, I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. Number 6, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. Number 7, I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. Number 8, I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9, I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. And number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. Then the next set of safety driving as a traveler. Number 1, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not taketh any chances. Number 5, thou shalt buckle up thy kids. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on thy bride. Number 7, thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. Number 8, thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. And number 9, thou shalt keep thy distance. Number 10, thou shalt practice patience. And the last set of 10 commandments is self-clearance. And number 1, keep right. And number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, if in doubt, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop rule. Lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6, roll to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7, observe traffic management measures. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver. First come, first serve vehicle. Number 9, on pedestrian. And lastly, number 10, remember the international driving safety reminders. That's all guys for the sets of 10 commandments, and it's very important and reminds us that if we want to have a safety driving or safety travel, just apply the set of 10 commandments. You have a peace and a better mind condition to travel your destination. And palagi kayong mag-John Lloyd. Anong sabi ni John Lloyd? Ingat! Bye-bye!